Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, before we start our class discussion, kindly Mr. Ali, kindly lead the prayer. Please stand up.
ليبتلوا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي.
So now let's sit down. So now let's check the attendance. Once I call your name, say present. Abdul Malik,
Present, sir.
Ali,
Absent, sir. Hey, present.
Mamaki, Moti,
Present.
Marahum,
Present.
Muntawa,
Present, sir.
Lampo,
Present.
Pascal,
Present.
Lira,
Present.
Omar,
Present, sir.
and Mabandis.
Present.
So before we formally start our discussion, what was our previous last discussion?
Equipment and
Very good. So what are those equipments in football?
ball. Soccer ball.
Jersey,
Sticks,
socks,
socks.
and shin split.
Okay, very good. So class, any idea what ano yung topic natin ngayon? So before I discuss, let me create the learning objectives this lesson. So at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to first identify the basic types of kicks used in football. B. Demonstrate proper techniques for passing in football. And last, apply the learned skills in a practical game scenario. So, class, these are topics for today. The basic types of kicks in football. So, there are five basic types of kicks in football. First is passing. Second one is heading. Third one is dropping. And fourth one, dribbling. And last one is the goalkeeping. So, for now, we will be focusing on the passing. So, what is passing? So, passing is a kicking at a target. Factors to consider are distance, accuracy, velocity, and timing. So, one of the basic types of kicks in football is passing. So, in passing, ginagamit ito pag ang opponents mo sa football is mag-kick. Kick niya yung bola, tapos i-receive mo. Yan yung kunin mo yung bola. I-receive mo, saka mo ipapasta sa partner mo kung or teammates mo. So the factors to be considered are distance, accuracy, velocity, and timing. So there are three techniques in passing. The first one is inside of the foot or inside foot pass. So the inside foot pass is inside of the foot or inside pass is the safest soccer pass because of the large contact area between the ball and the foot. Very precise passes can be executed. So in inside passes, we are using our foot. This one here, this is the inside foot. So when when we do the inside foot pass, just like this. When the opponents, when your opponents kick the ball, then the ball, when you receive the ball, then you just use the inside foot, which is this one, like that. So after you receive the ball, then you as a player, you will pass the ball to your partner or teammates. So, just like this. When you are passing the ball using the inside foot is, dapat kailangan nasa gitna ng inside foot mo. Which is dito. Ito yung gagamitin mo. Yan lang. Yun yung inside foot pass. So, next one is outside the foot. So, outside of the foot, or side foot pass is the most technically demanding passing technique. So, in outside of the foot is opposite lang sa inside. So, diba inside to, inside, then this one is the outside. So, ginagamit yung outside pass kapag yung teammates mo nandito lang sa gilid. Kumbaga, nandito yung may teammates ako dito. Then, nandito siya. Tapos, may opponents dito, kukunin yung bola. Ito lang yung gagamitin nyo para may pasa sa isang nyo. Yun lang. Side. Gagamitin lang sa side na view. So, last one is the instep. So, the single most important kicking skill in soccer is the instep drive, also known as the instep kick or the resist kick. So, ito yung pinaka-importante na techniques and passing, which is the instep. So, ginagamit ito pag mag-kick ka. Ito. Diba, mag-kick tayo. Diba, instep, ginagamit ito. Ito yung instep natin. So, pag ibigay mo sa, kung mag-goal ka, i-ano mo yung bola sa goal. Gagamitin mo yung step mo. Which is ito. Yun yung, doon ginagamit yung step full pass. So, class, did you understand the lesson?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So, for now, please arrange the chair beside. And then move yourself into
Open na lang, sir. Go.
Doon sila.
Go.
One.
So, dito yung 1, tapos dito yung
Tuba?
atras kayo. Atras kayo. Last. Nine. One time. Or okay. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is i-apply nyo lang yung lesson natin ngayon. This is yung techniques in passing. The inside foot, outside foot, and inside foot. So, last listen. Mr. Ali. So, class, video natin, di ba? Ang inside foot pass is ito, ginamit. Kapag ipas nyo sa kabilang grupo, is dapat at the center. Yan yung gagawin nyo. Center.
Tapos yung dito, sir, sa
Yes.
outside.
Oh, ito. Outside.
Kasi
Kasi sa inside.
kahit ano, sir.
Oh. Pero para kumbaga dito sa pan, ipas mo kayo sa serving kay Liso. Oh. Sige. So, Jihan. Naka.
May pasko kayo kaya.
Oh. Sige. Palitan ka. Inside foot pass muna tayo. Kunin yung bola. Inside foot pass. Inside foot pass. Instead. So, wait. So, ang next naman is outside.
Nasa po sa'yo ako.
Ang outside, ito lang. Ang outside, diba? Opposite lang sa inside. Inside foot pass. Diba? Inside, ito. Outside, ito lang. Yan. Saluin muna.
One and two. Check. One, two. One, two. Check. Pero mga two.
So next is the last one. This is step foot pass or shoelace foot pass. So, alam niyo na yung gagawin. Okay, start.
One, two.
Sumaya. Kung saan ka nagpunta. Okay. Last, bibigyan natin yung lesson ngayon para mag-quiz tayo ngayon. So, ano yung basic types of kicks in football? Okay. So, in passing, ilan yung techniques in passing? Ano na sila? Okay. So, for now, we will have a quiz. Short quiz. So, kindly prepare one board.
Pero mula.
Nakasilong lang kayo. Anong pakisulat sa quiz natin? May assignment pa tayo. Kayo quiz. Last listen. Okay, last. So, And number 1 to 3, 1 to 5.
1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, and please give me the types of kicks in football. Types of kicks in football. Lima sila, 1 to 5.
In order, sir?
Yes.
In order. In order daw, guys. Sir, in order.
Excited class. Masagot kayo. Huwag mamutya sa katabi.
Sir, ano siya yung
Then, tapos na class?
Yes, sir!
Then, sa 6 to 10, i-bracket nyo, tapos ibigyan nyo yung 3 techniques and passing.
6 to 7.
6 to 10.
Apat mo lang.
6 to 10 na bracket nyo.
Baso.
Para saktong 10 points. Class, are you done?
Yes, sir!
Pass na.
Okay. Yeah. Inside. Inside. Out. Buti ko si Miss Susu.
So, for our assignment, please prepare for the next meeting and read the module chapter 6